Hey, what's up guys? This is a video comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and this Galaxy Z Flip 4, comparing the video recording at 4K 30. That is what we're using right now to record this footage. So let me walk a bit so you get a sense of the video stabilization. Now I'm filming myself using the main cameras, so I have the phones back facing me, so these are the main cameras, not the selfie cameras. Let me flip them over so you can see what I'm seeing. Alright, so this is the main camera. It's a busy evening downtown. Alright, let's walk a bit faster. Of course, you can also switch to the ultra-wide cameras. This is the ultra-wide camera on both phones. Alright, and one advantage that the Z Fold has is that it offers zoom. So let's switch to 3x zoom, so you can see that right now we're at 3 times zoom, and you should probably notice that details should appear cleaner and just better on the Z Fold 4. The Z Flip 4 does not have a zoom camera. Let's also walk a bit and see if the video stabilization plays a role here. Let's walk a bit faster. Thing looks very smooth on the Fold 4.